which country are you from? From Germany, okay. I met so many people from Germany over the years. Gonna come?
Yep.
You got him?
You got that? That was so quick.
Nichts mehr drin.
Yeah, Chi, that's a girl here. So, so you like the monkeys, eh? There's no conflict of interest, they complement each other. These stay on top mostly and these below. So whatever food from the birds. You get your finger.
Maybe you can use it in the bureau, in the office.
But he doesn't attack the others.
No.
So what they feed on? What do you feed those?
A lot of fruits and vegetables. They eat meat as well, fish. So it's no problem to eat. Yeah. Wow.
Ah, there.
Yeah, he's here.
Okay.
He's right here.
Oh,
Alright, so you take a shot.
it's a monster. Great.
Das sieht aus wie ausgestopft.
This one originally from Miss Northern, Sandy River.
Okay.
Guys here.
Right.
Es hat geblinzelt, das ist nicht ausgestopft. Es faucht.
Das ist das Geräusch von dem.
So.
He wants to know what you did.